Before starting this lesson, let me ask you 3 questions. Are you having any pets? Name some breeds of dogs. How do you take care of your pets? In this lesson, you will come across with many difficult words. Here are the meanings. First word is sausage. It means an item of food in the form of a cylindrical length of minced pork. Rumphy means watery. Lolled, sit, lie or stand in a lazy, relaxed way. Hastened, be quick to do something. Listless, lacking energy or enthusiasm. Relent, become less severe or intense. Lumbago, a pain in the muscles and joints for the lower back. Regime, a system or ordered way of doing things. Tottering, move in a feeble or unsteady way. Tipped, a rough surfaced woolen cloth. Harness, a set of straps and fittings. Distraught, very worried and upset. Bouts, a short period of intense activity of a specified kind. Rug, a floor covering. Panting, breathing with short, quick breaths, out of breath. Snooped, a partial or total loss of consciousness. Now let us study in detail the story A Trump of Surgery. Trump means victory, so the title means a victory of surgery. The story is written by James Herriot. This story recounts the episode where the narrator, a veterinary surgeon, saves the life of a listless dog, Tricky, by hospitalizing him to prevent him from being overfed by his wealthy owner, Mrs. Pumphrey, which was only worsening his condition. Let us see who are the characters in this story. James Herriot. He is a veterinary surgeon who proves to be a capable doctor and a wise individual. He is an animal lover and a caring guardian. Mrs. Pumphrey is a wealthy single woman. She is very much attached to her dog, Tricky. She is very loving but weak at heart. Tricky is another character. Tricky is a lazy and fat dog who loves food. He is very fond of his owner. He turns out to be energetic and lively after recovering from his illness. It was when Herriot was driving that he saw Mrs. Pumphrey and Tricky walking down the street. He stopped the car to see how Tricky was doing. He was shocked to see that he had become fat like a sausage and was lacking energy. After enquiring from Mrs. Pumphrey about Tricky's condition, he advised her to immediately stop giving the dog extra snacks between meals. He also wanted her to make him exercise daily along with a strict diet in order to improve his health. Mrs. Pumphrey confessed that it was very difficult for her to do so, but she agreed upon giving it a try and walked off with Tricky. Mrs. Pumphrey called James Herriot, the veterinary doctor, in haste, as Tricky has refused to eat food. Her concern grew even more when he had bouts of vomiting. James drove to Mrs. Pumphrey's house with a firm mindset that the only way to cure Tricky was to get him out of the house for some time. He suggested to Mrs. Pumphrey to hospitalize him for a fortnight for observation so that the proper treatment can follow. Although it broke Mrs. Pumphrey's heart, she followed James to take Tricky along with him to his surgery. He carried the dog wrapped in a blanket to his car. All the housekeepers started to get together the blankets, rugs, bowls, coats, etc. that they thought Tricky might need during his hospitalization. James started to drive off as he knew that his car could not carry so many things. All that Mrs. Pumphrey managed to put were a few of his coat. Tricky left for the hospital, leaving his caretakers behind in tears. Tricky lay motionless on the bed that the vet made for him for the first day. He was put on water, died for almost 2 days. Even the household dogs didn't bother him, as he seemed uninterested in anything. After 2 days, he started responding a bit. On the following day, he whimpered, trotted, and joined the hound in the garden. Later, on the 3rd day, he ran with enthusiasm when the food was served. He also gulped down the extra food that was put out for him. His recovery was speeding up. He had started running all day long and found joy in being bowled over and squashed. In spite of being a high-maintenance dog, he had fitted in well with the gang of shabby and unkempt ones. Mrs. Pumphrey used to phone the doctor's clinic several times a day. She was keen to record his recovery and maintenance at short intervals. James brushed away her questions about Tricky's dressing according to the weather, but he didn't fail to assure her that Tricky was out of danger. Upon learning about Tricky's improving health, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending additional food items like wine, brandy for Tricky, although this was not required. So the doctor and the partner consumed these additional items themselves. After 2 weeks, James called up Mrs. Pumphrey to inform that Tricky was fit and could go home. Mrs. Pumphrey reached the surgery within half an hour. While the chauffeur held the door open, she enquired about Tricky's actual condition. She was concerned about his well-being and wanted to be sure about it. James found Tricky playing with the pack. He had become healthy and strong in 2 weeks' stay. As James carried Tricky out of his mistress, he jumped off his arms and landed in his mistress' lap. She was very happy at finding Tricky, as excited as he used to be. He licked her face and wagged his tail. The chauffeur and the vet settled the dog's stuff in the car, while Mrs. Pumphrey thanked the vet for the trump of surgery. In this way, my dear students, actually the dog didn't have any kind of surgery. Only by giving him proper diet, he was cured. Here we end the lesson. Hope you have understood it well. Now let us quickly recapitulate the lesson. James Harriot stops his car and sees the poor health of Mrs. Pumphrey's dog Tricky. He advises Mrs. Pumphrey to put Tricky on a strict diet and make him exercise daily. Mrs. Pumphrey continues to overfeed Tricky, which worsens his condition. She calls Harriot for help on noticing Tricky's deteriorating health. Harriot decides to hospitalize Tricky for a fortnight to treat him. Tricky's hospitalization left Mrs. Pumphrey and the helpers at home in tears. Tricky was kept on a strict diet in the hospital. His diet was increased according to the improvements he showed. Mrs. Pumphrey's anxiousness about Tricky's health went away on learning that Tricky was convalescing satisfactorily. She started to send eggs, wine and brandy for Tricky to enrich his blood and improve his health. These items were instead enjoyed by James Harriot and his partner. Tricky was transformed from a weak fat dog to a hard muscled and agile one. James Harriot calls Pumphrey to come and take Tricky home. So in this way here we end the lesson. Based on today's lesson what we studied, here are few questions to solve. Enjoy your day. Thank you.